I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Halo Bassinet, the Swivel Sleeper Bassinet. So this is a really great bassinet if you're expecting a new baby, and it's something that you can have in your bedroom, and it makes it really easy to take care of your baby at night and give them a nice spot to sleep. So it's designed specifically for sleep and for infants up to the age where they're starting to sit up. So it's great for a newborn, and it'll last you, in my case, usually lasts 6 months or so before a baby's able to be big enough that it's no longer a fit for them. So some things that are great about it: it has this standard size mattress in here that's a bassinet mattress, so you can put any kind of a sheet that you want to on there, so you can customize it to a particular look. There's also different fabric choices for the bassinet itself, and the whole concept here is it makes it really easy to access your baby in the middle of the night. So you can actually put this right up to your bed with one of these legs under your bed. And the swivel aspect of it is that this can be away from the bed, so you're not bumping it or kicking the bassinet while your baby is sleeping. But if they need you in the night, you can literally take this whole thing and swivel it around so that it brings the baby actually over your bed. If this was under your bed, this would basically swivel, and the baby and the bassinet would be over the bed. Then you can push down on this bar if you want to, and very easily just be able to reach in and grab them. So if they're waking up a lot for feeding, or if you need to be comforting them in the night, it's really great to have this under your bed. You can swivel them away again so that you're not kicking them, and then you can swivel this closer to you, pull the bar down, and really easily pull them out and be able to have access to them, and then put them back in when you're done helping them or feeding them. Some other great features: it's got a couple of different electronic features on here. So I'll go through some of these. This is a little light. It's hard to see in the day, but it's really great to have a little light that you can switch on if you just want to check on them in the night. If they're crying, it's dark in the room, you can use this little light, different intensities, and be able to see what's going on really quickly, see if you need to take them out. This is also something you could use as a little night light if you wanted to. I find it works best, though, just to check in the night. There's different sounds you can switch on, and you can switch these to different settings. And then this over here, I can try to get this to come back off again. This is a vibration, so you can hear it, and I can feel if I put my hand here. It's very subtle, so it's something that can help them to sleep better, help kind of lull them to sleep, or just create almost like a little bit of vibration and white noise. It's very, very solid. That's another thing that I like about it. So the base of it is extremely solid because it has this pretty wide footprint, and it's fairly heavy at the base. So I like that it feels very secure. It feels like something that you can put an infant in, and this will move around, but that base, as you can see, is not going anywhere. So that seems like a nice, solid kind of build to it. And then you can adjust the height too by turning this little screw down at the bottom here, and that way, no matter the height of your bed, you can still set it up so that when you do that swivel action, you're bringing the whole bassinet and the baby over the side of your bed, and it's really easy. You don't have to be bending over or even necessarily getting out of bed in order to grab your baby and help them in the night. So that is the Halo Swivel Sleeper Bassinet. A really great product if you are expecting.